What is going on, guys? So today we have another board from Rabbit Labs. This one is the Xeon V2 board designed by Sometoms. All right. This one supports an ESP32S3 room. You can see we have an external SMA that connects straight to the chip for the antenna. We have two 8-pin slots for if you wanted to put two sub-gigahertz CC1101 modules on there, two NRF24 modules for Bluetooth and mouse jacking if you wanted to do that. Right here, we have an RGB LED. It's more of like a status indicator. We have the Xeon V2 in nice silk screen, pretty simple. The board also has, if I can pick it up with the light, the shiny reflective coating on there. Back, pretty simple as well. Some traces there. The slots for the GPS module, if you wanted to add that as well. So this board is capable of doing GPS. We have some modules I'm going to just pop on. This one here is the NRF24. This one is the CC1101. Okay. Now, these aren't the ones from Rabbit Labs. I do need to upgrade mine, but I do highly recommend grabbing the ones from Rabbit Labs. They support a e-byte chip, which this one is, but it's a little bit on the smaller side, but it's still better than, a non-e-byte chip. But anyway, so now that these are installed, let's go ahead and go into the app and take a look. So right here, you can see once I get into the ESP and then just run Marauder and I scan it, the LED will come on and the blue light will turn on, showing that it's scanning and working. Okay. Now, once I get into, let's go out of here and let's go to the NRF24. Let's go ahead and go to scanner and we'll go to channel 2. We'll see if this picks up anything. All right. Hopefully it does. It should. It picked it up just recently. I'm not 100% sure why it's not. There we go. Perfect. So picked it up. So the CC1101 sub-gigahertz is working as well. Let's get out of here and let's go to one of my favorites. Let's go all the way down to sub-gigahertz. Weather station. Read the weather station, and you can see here that it's also reading it as well as an external module, picking up or scanning this frequency here. And if we can pick it up, we'll pick up the closest weather station that's near me, and it'll show precipitation in the center, the temperature, how long it was scanned, how long ago it was scanned, and then some data and stuff like that. So let's see if we can pick it up. All right, any day now. There we go. All right, that was literally like almost 2 minutes later. I guess it's on a timer or something. Not sure, but anyways, as you can see, 62% chance precipitation. The current temperature is 14.6 C. This reading was taken 20 seconds ago. Some extra data, what channel it was on, and my battery, or maybe that's the battery for the station. I'm not 100% sure. So, but anyway, that's pretty much it. Those are just some examples of the board and how you're using them, or at least how I'm using them exactly. I haven't messed around with the GPS all that much yet, but I will eventually and probably do another video on that. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this. Like the video if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I will see you in the next one.